Good morning to all of you. Last class I given this note that you have to write down, which is based on superposition of two perpendicular simple harmonic motion of different amplitude and angular velocity in the ratio of 1:2 or time period in the ratio of 2:1 and its corresponding Lissajous figure. So before we have to discuss about its mathematical derivations from which we can found the corresponding Lissajous figures, this one and also case 3 I think, case 3 this one. First we have to understand what is exactly angular velocity ratio 1:2 or the time period ratio 2:1, because this is the most or the core part of this topic. So as we have been already drawn that two simple harmonic motion, one is at left side and another is at down side. So this is the so called simple harmonic motion along y-axis, and this is the representation of simple harmonic motion along x-axis due to or when the particle is moving on the circumference of this circle along anticlockwise direction, and when the particle for this moving on the circumference clockwise direction. So when this particle is moving on the circumference, its projection is oscillating along y-axis direction, and it's likewise when it is moving on the circumference, its projection time to time, its projection oscillating like this, it is oscillating along its projection from here to here. This projection is oscillating along x-axis, that we have been already discussed. Now we are trying to understand that angular velocity of omega 1 of this one and angular velocity of this oscillation omega 2 both have the ratio is equal to 1:2. That means, suppose we have to consider that if this particle is moving on the circumference of 2 meter per second, suppose 2 meter per second, or its angular velocity is 2 meter per second, its angular velocity is omega 2 is 4 meter per second. This is the example that I am giving to you to better understanding. So here you can find that omega 1 is to omega 2, omega 1 is to omega 2 is equal to 1:2. That is the things that it has been written here. So fundamentally, if we want to try to observe the motion, we can found that as its angular velocity is slower than this angular velocity, that means this particle is moving slower as compared with this particle. That means this particle is moving faster on this circumference and this is moving slower on this circumference as compared with this one. How much slower it is moving? 2 times slower, or we can say this particle is moving on the circumference 2 times faster than this. If this particle speed is like this particle speed is slower. So now you can easily say that as this particle is slowly moving on the circumference, so when it starts from here, suppose this particle and this particle both are started from its original position, so who will be come back to its original position after one rotation? Who is moving with faster velocity? As this is moving faster velocity, So it will be starts from its origin and will be reach at the origin with less time as compared to this one, because it is moving lesser velocity, right? So as it is moving less velocity than this, or as this is moving 2 times faster velocity as compared with this, then the time period or moving from here to here will be less as compared with this. That means this particularly cover the distance, this one may be considered 2 second. This will be complete the whole circle with 4 seconds. Understood? As it is moving slower, it will take longer time. As it is moving faster, then it will be take shorter time. So it will be suppose 2 seconds and it will be 4 seconds. So that means T1, this is T1 and this is T2. So T1 is to T2 will be 2:1. So that is the things whatever written in our heading, that 2:1 time period ratio or angular velocity ratio is 1:2. Then we have to do the mathematical calculations. Same thing it has been written, nothing difficulties is there you are going to face. So the so-called simple harmonic motion y is equal to a sin omega t, x is equal to b sin 2 omega t plus theta. Theta is the phase difference. Here omega is 2 times. In case of our down figure, what is moving along x-axis, that is the 2 times angular velocity more than this. So only for that here we have written that is 2 omega. Then from this equation we can found y by a is equal to sin omega t. From this equation we can found x by b sin omega t. 1, 2 equations. Now x by b if we are going to take, so this will be sin a plus b, sin a into cos b plus cos a into sin b in the format. So now then sin 2a formula here I have been putted, 2 into sin a into cos b cos theta. So cos 2 omega t formula is 2 cos square omega t minus 1 into sin theta. So this term I have been taken in from the initial, and this term is the second term. So here I have written that 2 into cos square omega t written as 1 minus sin square omega t minus 1 into sin theta plus 2 into sin omega t value is y by 2 y by a and cos omega t can be written as 1 minus sin square omega t root over into cos theta. Okay, so this same thing has been written from the first line. So this one, then x by b is equal to 1 minus 2 sin square omega t into sin theta plus 2 into y by a, 1 minus sin omega t is y by a, so y square by a square into cos theta. So you can check each and every step, it is not difficulties. So you can check each and every step. Where you found any mistake, you can contact with me. Very simple mathematics. Each and every step I have been written, you just check it out. So in this way we can do. Then we can found the last equation is this one. Okay, so last equation we found this one, which is equation number 1, and this equation represents the resultant wave equation of two periodically a simple harmonic motion having angular velocity 1:2 or time period ratio 2:1 superimposed with each other. Then we can find the corresponding Lissajous figures. So for this, as it is a general equation, whatever we have been found when two simple harmonic motion having the angular velocity ratio 1:2 is going to be superimposed with each other, the corresponding Lissajous figure can be considered on the base of the phase and on the base of A and B. Also, whenever we are going to vary the theta phase difference and also A, V, then the Lissajous figure also it will vary. We have to check for case 1 that suppose that two simple harmonic motion phase difference is theta equal to 0. There is no phase difference. Phase difference is 0 and A not equal to B, A not equal to B, and phase difference is 0, then the so-called equation will be how much? Theta equal to 0 means sin 0. So this term will be 0. It will be x by b square, 4 y square by a square, y square by a square rahibo minus 1. Same thing it has been written here. So from this equation, or this equation, if you are going to draw the graphically, then you can found this figure. So from this equation we found this figure. So later on we also you can draw, if you are going to draw the geometrical method, also you are going to found this one. Wait, I am going to be give some hints that how you can draw this figure geometrically. Okay, simple. जो मैंने सब प्रीवियसली 1:1 ड्रॉ करछंती, एठी 1:2 रे ड्रॉ करिया पय तांको इजी हो, नो प्रॉब्लम. So in case of case 2, whenever pi by 2 will be phase difference, then the equation here pi by 2 means x by b minus 1 means x by b sin theta pi by 2 equal to 1, and it will be 1 here, also 1 we have to found x by b should have to be there. So 4 y square by a square into y square by a square, like this. So if you are going to arrange this equation, at last you are going to found y square is equal to a square by 2, 1 minus x by a. So this equation represents the equation of the parabola, like y square is equal to minus 4x. So if you are going to be compare this equation to this equation is represents like this one, means the parabola which is facing towards the negative x-axis, like this. Or if you are going to draw the curve by using this equation, you are going to found this curve. Likewise, case 3 we have been taken as 3 pi by 2. 3 pi by 2 means the equation is y square is equal to a square by 2 into x by b plus 1. Here the equation is comparatively same with x square, y square is equal to 4x. That means it is facing towards the parabola, facing towards the positive x-axis. Or if you are going to draw the curve by using this equation, then it will be this one. So the three Lissajous figures we have been found by using three conditions. One is 0, another is pi by 2, then 3 pi by 2. We got the Lissajous figures mathematically, or the so-called analytical method. By using analytical method, we got the three Lissajous figure. Now you have written these are the so-called applications of the Lissajous figures. These are the different applications. Memister one applications. फिल्म शो तुम देखी टीवी शो आ फिल्म रे और जो स्टेज शो मानकर जो पछपटे स्टेज शो चलुला समय लाइट रो जो डिफरेंट डिजाइन सब हमको देखा मिले, सेगुड़ा भी सब Lissajous फिगर एप्लिकेशन. टू SHM simple harmonic motion, how much phase difference also can be calculated by using Lissajous figure. And you can also observe that in a big company they are showing their logo or advertisement with the light on the top floor of their office रो top floor रे गोटे logo थाए देखिथिबो, से logo टा भी डिजाइन करा है था using this Lissajous figure. So these are the 4 main Lissajous figure applications. Now we have to consider about the geometrical method, how we are going to found that 3 Lissajous figures whatever we found by mathematically. Okay, so now as we have been studied that the two simple harmonic motions have phase difference, angular velocity ratio is 1:2, or time period ratio 2:1. Then first important things is that numbering of 0, 1, 2, 3 up to 8, because at the time of doing the Lissajous figure, matching of 1 to 1, 2 to 2, 3 to 3, that is the most important. that one thing I am going to, one example I am going to show you, that this is the things roughly I am doing, but you have to do with your scale, it will better. So this has to be center, this has to be center. So initially it was numbering is that 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8, right? For this this is the for left circle, and for the down circle it has to be like this. स्केल रे करूनी कहीं तुम्हें सेटा को परफेक्टली करिवो. ओके, तो तुमर मन थिबो मे यू हैव बीन रिमेंबर दैट फॉर 1:1 रेशियो, फॉर 1:1 रेशियो the 0 is started from here, 1, then 2, sorry, this is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. In this way we have been given the numbering of this down circle, and for this left circle we have been numbered like this because time period is divided by 8 parts. Now for this case the angular velocity is 1:2. That means for this case it is moving 2 times than this one. Tamane for this case, to complete one rotation it is taking 2 seconds. Suppose for complete one rotation it is taking 4 seconds. That means for one rotation of this one, for this case one rotation is equivalent to 2 rotation of this particle. That means this particle is taking time 4 seconds to complete one rotation. This particle is taking time to complete one rotation is 2 seconds. So now in 4 seconds, how many times it will be complete this rotation? 2 times. This particle will be complete 2 times a full rotation as compared with this one. तामाने ये जदि 4 सेकंड नौची, ये 2 सेकंड समय नौची. तामाने ये 4 सेकंड रे थरे बुलला बेलकु सेही 4 सेकंड रे ये केत थर बुलथिबो? ये 2 थर बुलथबो. जदि 2 थर बुलथबो ताहाले मते नंबरिंग ता केमति करिया पड़छि देखो. 0 जोड सेठी, 0 जोठी सेठी. तो फर्स्ट हमर केस अछि कोन? फर्स्ट केस ता होछि फेज डिफरेंस किछि नाही. फेज डिफरेंस किछि नाही माने the 0 will be here. But as angular velocity ratio is 2:1, that means for this case 1 rotation, for this case 2 rotations should have to be there. That means here 0 गोटे छाड़ी की 1, आ गोटे छाड़ी की 2, गोटे छाड़ी की 3, गोटे छाड़ी की 4. Okay, 5, 6, 7, 8. Got it? So that means for one rotation 1:1, 2, 3, 4, it is rotated 2 times on the circumference. Now you draw the figure. 0, 0, 1, 1. Okay, this is 1. Sorry, तमे ताकू ड्रॉ करले स्केल पेंसिल करेक्ट आसो. 2, this is 2, 3, 3. Okay, so it is like this asla. तापरे 4, 4, 5, 5, 6, 6, 7, 7. So this is for 0 phase difference. तुमको सर π/2 फेज डिफरेंस हेले कोन? π/2 फेज डिफरेंस हेले आरंभ होबो कोठु? एठु 0 आरंभ होबो. 0 π/2 छाडी देकी 0 आरंभ हला एठु. 0 will be start here, 1 will be start गोटे छाडी की 1 आउ गोटे छाड़ी एठी हबो 2 एठा हबो 3 एठा हला 4 पुणी एठा हबो 5 6 7 8 so this will be the case of 3 pi by 2 sorry pi by 2 सेम 3 pi by 2 पाई हेले 3 pi by 2 पाई हेले तुम केतरा छाड़िया पड़ियो 3 pi by 2 तुम छाड़ी की 0 आरंभ करिया पड़ियो पाई 2 pi 3 pi त माने 0 आरंभ हो एठू गोटे छाड़ी के हबो 1 आ गोटे छाड़ी की हबो 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 so in this way if you finish your numbering, then next work is you have to join point to point. So today work is that you have to check your note with the video first, the mathematical derivations, then do the heading like this, drawing of Lissajous figure by geometrical method. So for case 1 theta is equal to 0, you have to draw this figure whatever I drawn. Then case 2, for case 2 theta is equal to pi by 2, another figure. Case 3 theta is equal to 3 pi by 2, another figure. 3 figures you have to draw and upload, that I have to check. Okay, thank you.